Hi and welcome back to Wig Studio One. I'm Marlene, the crazy wig lady. Today we're going to unbox a brand new style from Gabor. This is called Glamorize Always. The color is Fiery Copper GF 3129. If you're new to our channel, welcome. If you will look in the drop down box below this video, there will be information on how to order this wig. There'll be links there, everything you need to know. Just be sure to expand the drop down box. Also, if you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to us at support@wigstudio1.com, and you can also reach out to us via the live chat on the wigstudio1.com website during normal business hours. We also have a private Facebook group, Wig Studio One Wig and Topper Support Group. It is a wonderful place. We show wigs, we answer questions about wigs. It's just a fun place, so please join us over there. All right, let's have a look at Glamorize Always. Let's unbox this new style from Gabor. Again, this is part of the designer series. Looks like this. I love fiery copper. It's such a pretty color. Alright, it is packaged like this. Has this little straw there. This color is just so pretty. Okay, I can see this is a bob already. Show you that, how pretty this is. Alright, let's look at the inside of this cap. Alright, this is a mono top and extended lace front. It's open wefted. It has closed felt ear tabs. It has a non-extended felt nape and Velcro adjusters. Some stretch here. Looks like it has a good bit of stretch. Again, let me let you look at this top. Make sure you get a good look at that. Alright, let's try this on. Okay, let's see how this fits. I am wearing, by the way, Gabor Own the Room in the color Fiery Copper, the same color. Such a pretty, pretty red. Okay, let's give this a little shake. Glamorize Always. Loosen up those fibers a little and see how this fits. Okay, it fits me large. I have a 21¼ inch head circumference, and I feel like this is pretty roomy on me. Yeah, this is a bob, like we said. I want you to have a look at this. Shorter in the back. Has a little permatease here, right at the crown. I'm feeling that, to let you know. There's permatease running all through here. Not a huge amount, but there's definitely permatease here. Not in the top now. It's a mono top like we talked about, but I'm feeling it around the edge here in the crown, and I'm also feeling some on the side. So that's going to give us this little shape that we have here. I like this. Okay, let's talk about these specs. This is a 7-inch bang. So it's a long 7-inch bang. Now the crown is also 7. The nape is a short 3.25. The sides are 7.5. So it's longer in the front like we talked about. It's longer in the front and then shorter in the back. The back is 6.5. Again, so we have a 7-inch bang, a 7-inch crown, a nape of 3.25, sides of 7.5, and a back of 6.5. I'm going to take out this zigzag part, and I'm going to spray it with a little water. Now I see that this really doesn't need any steaming or anything like that. This pretty much stays right off your face. Show you this lace front. Again, I'm going to probably need to pull these adjusters in just a tad for me, but it has a beautiful lace front. It melts right into the skin. That is very nicely done. I just have some plain water, and I am going to separate these fibers just a little. And I like to get my hands into these wigs, pull them away from the cap, give them some movement. You can already see how much movement you can create just by loosening the fibers away from the cap just a little. Yeah, Really nice. I like the silhouette of this. It's very, very pretty. Medium copper with ginger blonde highlights. Now that is how Gabor describes their fiery copper. Medium auburn with ginger blonde highlights. Beautiful highlighting. Look at the highlighting here. Let's look at it in some different lighting. Alright, let's style this a little bit. I'm going to try it on with some glasses. Works great with my glasses. I have to have that. I just slip mine on top of my head. Works fine. I'm going to put it on with the headband, of course. I'm going to pull it off my face just so we can see this this hairline. I like to pull just a little hair down on the sides to cover, because there's my bio hair. Let me make sure you see this coverage. Bio hair here and here. And when I wear my hair off my face like that, I just pull a little bit down to cover that. You can't really see it at all. And that's how I do that. So it works well that way, and that gives you another look at this lace front. Really a very well done lace front on that. You could just wear it this way. Tuck it behind your ears. Now, like I said, there is some permatease in here, but you can easily tuck this behind your ear if you would like, on both sides as well. All right, let's see. Definitely pin this off your face if you wanted. It would work really easily if you just wanted to get that up and off your face. You could steam this wig, like I said, if you wanted, but I really don't see any need. It stays really well as it is, so I think that's a nice feature here. It has a pretty contour around the face. Really nicely done. Thanks for joining me today and having a look at Glamorize Always, this brand new style from Gabor. Please like and subscribe to this channel, and I'll see you next time.